Okay, so in this short video session, it is about value contract, and particularly we'll see what is the use of assortment module in a value contract. Yeah. So let's very fast. Let's go directly creating a contract, and then we'll see the follow-up things, and finally we'll define what is the assortment module. So let's go to transaction VA41, which is to create a contract, and essentially we are going to create a contract, uh, value contract general, because assignment model is something specific to WK1. Okay, so here we go, and let's see here. So we can give our customer, and we can say value contract general something 0002, and here we assign a value to a validity period, and here is something. Okay, here something we can assign a assignment model here. Huh? So very fast, let's see. So in the last video session we created a value contract with a certain value and assigning to a material, and essentially here we can create assignment model. So let's go to transaction WSV2. Yeah. So here what we can do, so this is a creating an assignment model for value contract. So you can give a name as assignment model and module 1 and hit enter. Yeah, okay. So value con, we can just give a description, value contract assignment module, and essentially we have to give a validity period here. Yeah. So here let's see what is so here this assignment module is nothing but here we can list down the materials. Yeah. So, and we say this is active, and we can also for each of the material we can set a priority. We say this is the priority passive. Okay, so assignment model is nothing but this essentially a list of materials. It is a tool to list all the materials that can be used in a value contract. So we saved it. So now our assignment model is ready. Uh, so let's go to display and here. So now go back to the contract. So when you are creating contract, let's say we say okay, give 100, we want a contract of 100, and we can assign to a assignment model here. So if you go F4 and hit enter, so there is something already created in the system, but right now we can select which one we created now. Huh? And one we can assign to here, and we can go back to header and we can see we need a release partner. That should be fine. Okay, so assignment model is assigned, and assignment model is nothing but it is it has a validity period. It is set to active, at least all the materials. So this essentially, so it is used here. Huh? Okay, so now our value contract is created, it is ready. So now we'll go and create release orders. So we go to, so here we just assign to it, and so our contract is here, and we'll go to here, we'll release to contract. Now there is no releasing partner, let's copy, so automatically we need a releasing partner because that is what the definition says. We need a release partner, that should be okay. And if I go to the release order, let's copy. So now this is our, so this is our contract window here. Let's copy. So basically, if you see here in the last video, we did not have a assortment module assigned to the contract. So we went and entered in the here material. So here manually we have to enter the material. But once we have a assortment module is assigned to this, what we can do here, we can expand assortment here. So already if you see here, it lists down all the materials, yeah, that are part of this assortment module. Yeah, so it has, you can, so here we have two materials. And so when we are creating a release order, and here we can, you know, we can already it lists down all the materials that is valid, or that can be, the materials can be released to the release order. So here we say, okay, we need a quantity of 2 only. We'll go back, and here, so now we are okay here, and we can do a copy. Yeah. So, and then we can assign a PO number. There's a 1, and we are done. Huh? So basically this is the use of a assortment module. So it lists down all the orders, or sorry, it lists down all the materials that can be used in a contract, and during the creation of release orders. So from the assortment module, we can, you know, select the materials to be released in the release order. So similar way is the product hierarchy. So now, so for this video we are done with the assortment module, what is where we can create, and what is the use of it. So in the next video we'll see how to complete a value contract.